So how would you turn off the upper slide on the Android? Like, I've seen some people looking this up on the internet, so that's why I decided to make this video. And there are more things you might mean by this, but most likely you mean this, where you swipe up and get access to your apps. And that's like fine because I can actually use it productively and I like that feature, but I get it that some people don't want it. And the only way really we can replace it is by getting a different launcher app, because if you go to the Play Store, you can find some launcher apps which are basically like different skins on the top of your phone. So every single app is going to stay as it is, but it's just going to work differently. Like the home screen is going to look different, and features like the swipe up or slide up can be disabled. So you can see we have so many launchers which you can get, like the Nova launcher is very popular, but you know, some people even switch to the iOS look, like the look of the iPhone, right? So you can make it look completely different. And the point is that once you switch to that kind of browser or launcher, then you will perhaps have the ability to use your phone completely different. So if you just go to the iOS launcher, as I said, this is the one which I used in the past, and you can kind of like set it up and, as I said, replace the functionality of your built-in phone. So on the iPhones, of course, we don't have the swipe up gesture, so that's something which you can set up really. So yeah, just give it a try, right? Just make sure you set it up the way that you want. I'm gonna actually guide you through it. You might get an ad, right? So you can go in here and set this up as the default launcher. Okay, whatever, just continue with it. And then now when I come back to the home screen, you can see that my phone behaves like the iPhone, or at least looks, and now the swipe up isn't working anymore simply because I downloaded a different launcher and the phone behaves differently. So that's my whole point. So I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know what you think below in the comments. Subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.